Now if I type on it, we can't type on the result text field. Then we need to add addition, subtraction, all those buttons. Add. I'm going to create, let me add a comment. Button, add, subtract, multiple division, and I need button for clear all those text fields. And then add is equal to new button. Inside as an argument I will use string this plus symbol. So when we are using button, we need to import it also. Import java.awt.button. Save. Our plus button is added to here. Let me copy this. Add subtraction, multiplication, division, also for clear. Add sub. I will change the variable name. Mul division. CLR means clear. Clear. I will add this sub to this frame like this. I will add multiple button to frame like this. I will add divide button to the frame like this. I will add clear button into our AWT calculator frame into like this. Save, compile, run. Add, subtract, multiply, divide, clear. Now the basic skeleton of our calculator is finished. Now we need to add functionality to these buttons. To add functionalities to our AWT calculator, we need to work with listeners because the listeners is responsible for listening to our actions. Actions means we are clicking mouse hover over on components, those things are called as actions. We can handle those actions by using action listeners. There's a interface called action listener. We need to implement it to our class. Implement action listener. If we are implements action listener, we need to import it. Import java.awt. event dot action listener. Let me run it to check whether it is correct or not. I forgot to add the semicolon. Clear, compile. AWT calculator is not abstract, and since this action listener is an interface, we need to override its all methods. Inside the action listener, only one method is there. It's called action perform. The method name is action perform. We need to override it. Public void action perform. Let's take action event as an argument. So action event we need to import. Import Java AWT dot event dot action event. If I save, it says abstract method action performed. So it says whether we need to override it here or mention declare this class as abstract. If we declare this class as abstract, we can't create an object. So we need to, so that's why we need to override it here. Also, if we want to make functionality when buttons are clicked, we need to override it. Here, let me save it and then compile, interpret. It's working. That means our code doesn't have any compile time errors. We need to make our frame closable. To do that, we need to create a window listener. Add window listener. Window listener is also an interface. We can implement it like as we did action listener. But if we implement it, this window listener class has 7 methods. We need to override all those 7 methods, but I only need here window closing method. For only one method implementation, overriding 6 methods is waste of time. So that's why I'm gonna use the class name is new window adapter. This adapter classes are programming trick. It has dummy implementation. We can use only one method by using this adapter class. So that's why I'm using adapter class. When we're using adapter class, we need to import it. Import java.aw2.event.window adapter. Window adapter. Inside this adapter class, there is anonymous class. Inside this class, I'm gonna override public void window closing method. Window closing method. This window closing method is take window event. event as an argument. So again we need to import window event. Input java.awt.event.window event. I'm going to use system.exit here. System.exit here. You can use dispose method also. The difference between dispose method and system.exit, the dispose method close all the GUI components reference data of the particular frame, but JVM doesn't close. If you use a system.exit, the entire JVM will be closed. So let me run it. If we click on this close button here, now it will close our frame. Then we need to add functionality to our buttons. Here we want to use if block. Inside this if block, by using action event variable e, I'm going to call get source method. Get source method. By using get source method, I'm checking whether this source is clear button or not. Here, this clear button, the reference variable is CLR. I'm checking the button we are pressed is clear button or not. If it is, I'm going to say num1, that means this one. Okay, we need to give name for this text fields. I'll give name like this, num1, num2. Then for the number 1 text field is this. For the num1 label, text field is this. By using num1, I'm gonna create an object. Then I will add this num1 reference variable to our frame. Num2,